90-Day Fiancé alum Leida Margaretha is once again at the center of serious legal drama. And this time, it's more intense than ever. From bail-jumping charges to passport surrender and heartbreaking family tragedy, here's everything you need to know about what's happening with Leida and her husband, Eric Rosenbrook. Reality TV personality Leida Margaretha, known from 90-Day Fiancé, is once again entangled in legal issues, this time with serious implications. On July 17th, Leida was arrested in Wisconsin on a felony bail-jumping charge. The court has since ordered her to surrender her passport, underscoring the gravity of the situation. The arrest comes at a particularly tragic time, occurring just a week after the passing of Leida's 5-month-old daughter. The circumstances surrounding the child's death are under investigation, and both Leida and her husband, Eric Rosenbrook, have recently found themselves in legal hot water. Eric was arrested earlier this month, on July 5th, in connection with a domestic violence incident. With mounting legal issues and ongoing investigation into their daughter's death, the couple is under intense scrutiny. For Leida, who has faced controversy before, this latest development could mark her most serious legal challenge yet. Authorities asked Leida Margaretha to submit her passport. 90-Day Fiancé star Leida Margaretha has been dealing with a string of serious legal troubles since the beginning of the year. Earlier this year, she was arrested on charges of domestic violence and animal abuse, with reports alleging she struck the family dog and made threats of self-harm involving sharp objects. During her arrest, Leida disclosed that she was pregnant and was later released on bail. However, the situation escalated on July 17th when Leida was arrested again in Wisconsin, this time for felony bail jumping. Following her court appearance, the judge ordered her to surrender her passport and imposed a travel restriction, barring her from leaving the state. Prosecutors have voiced concerns as she poses a significant flight risk, with a status conference scheduled for August 27th. According to Us Weekly, authorities believe Leida may have been planning to flee the country to avoid prosecution. She had reportedly informed law enforcement that she was seeking a passport for her late daughter to return to Indonesia and reunite with her son from a previous relationship. These statements, combined with her ongoing legal troubles, including being a suspect in her daughter's death, prompted the court to confiscate her passport. As the investigations continue, Leida and her husband Eric Rosenbrook have officially announced their separation on Facebook, adding further complexity to the unfolding situation. With multiple active cases and heightened concerns over her cooperation, Leida's legal challenges appear far from over. Leida hospitalized just before court hearing? Just days after the tragic death of her infant daughter, 90-Day Fiancé alum Leida Margaretha was arrested on charges of felony bail jumping. Following her arrest, she was reportedly rushed to the hospital from jail, prompting further developments in her already complicated legal situation. According to court records and online speculation, Leida fell ill prior to her scheduled court appearance. She ultimately attended the hearing via video link from UW Hospital, accompanied by her attorney, Tony Taylor M. Hart. Prosecutor Rebecca Mackey-Wallander was present in court, and the next hearing is scheduled for August 27th. The court docket confirms Leida's hospitalization, though details regarding her medical condition have not been made public. Meanwhile, Reddit users have questioned the timing of her illness, with some speculating she may have feigned the episode to avoid appearing in person. Others suggested the possibility of a mental health evaluation. Leida is currently facing multiple charges, including being a suspect in the investigation into her daughter's death, and her legal troubles continue to escalate. With concerns growing over her behavior and intentions, the case remains under close scrutiny as authorities prepare for the next stage of proceedings.